In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Autofill. And by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now tap on Edit button right next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. Then hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!